The Mercedes-Benz G-Class W463A, launched in 2018, is an epitome of luxury, power, and off-road capability. With its rugged yet refined exterior and advanced technology, it has become one of the most sought-after vehicles in its class. But like all cars, it's not without its share of issues. Whether you're a proud owner or considering buying one, understanding the common faults can save you both time and money. Today, we'll walk you through the top 10 most common problems with the W463A and how you can troubleshoot and fix them. Let's jump right into it, starting from the least concerning to the most critical. 10. Noisy suspension system. One of the first issues you may notice with the G-Class W463A is the suspension system producing abnormal noises, such as clunking or creaking sounds when driving on rough or uneven surfaces. This problem can be annoying and is typically caused by worn suspension components like control arm bushings, ball joints, or sway bar links. If you're hearing unusual sounds, begin by inspecting the suspension for any damaged or loose parts. Check the control arm bushings and sway bar links, as these are often the source of the noise. Replacing worn bushings or lubricating the parts may resolve the issue. For those who enjoy off-roading with their G-Class, it's a good idea to have the suspension checked regularly to prevent further damage. Proper maintenance will help keep your suspension in top condition for years to come. 9. Electrical system failures. With the W463A being a highly advanced vehicle, its electrical system controls a variety of essential functions, including the infotainment system, seat adjustments, windows, and lighting. Some owners report glitches, such as unresponsive infotainment screens, malfunctioning seat controls, or issues with exterior lighting. If you experience electrical issues, the first step is to check the battery voltage. A low or weak battery can lead to various electrical malfunctions. If the battery is fine, inspect the vehicle's wiring and connections for any signs of wear or corrosion. Software updates may be needed to address any bugs in the infotainment system. It's also wise to check the fuses and relays as part of routine maintenance. Addressing these problems early on can save you from costly repairs later. 8. Steering vibration. Another issue that some G-Class owners face is steering vibration, particularly at high speeds or when braking. This problem is usually caused by misaligned wheels, worn-out tie rods, or warped brake rotors. If left unaddressed, it can affect driving comfort and handling. Start by checking your wheels for proper alignment. Misalignment can lead to uneven tire wear and vibrations. If the problem persists, inspect the tie rods for wear and tear. Additionally, check the brake rotors for warping. Regular wheel alignments and brake maintenance can help prevent steering vibrations. If the issue continues, it may be necessary to replace the damaged components. 7. Oil leaks. Oil leaks are a common issue that many car owners, including those with the G-Class, may encounter. Leaking oil can come from several places, such as the engine block, transmission, or differential. Worn gaskets or seals are usually the culprits behind this problem. To resolve oil leaks, start by inspecting the engine and transmission for signs of oil seepage. Common problem areas include the valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket, and front crankshaft seal. If you notice any leaks, replace the affected gaskets or seals. It's also important to regularly check and change the oil to keep the engine running smoothly. Using high-quality synthetic oil can also help reduce the chances of oil leaks. 6. Turbocharger problems. The W463's turbocharged engines are known for providing impressive power, but they are also prone to issues like whistling or whining noises, power loss, and poor acceleration. These issues may be the result of oil starvation, clogged filters, or carbon buildup. To maintain the health of the turbocharger, make sure the oil levels are adequate and that the engine is running on high-quality oil. Regularly replace the air and oil filters to ensure proper airflow and lubrication. If you notice any abnormal noises or loss of power, have the turbocharger inspected by a professional. In some cases, cleaning the turbo may help remove carbon buildup. If the turbocharger is severely damaged, it might need to be replaced. 5. Parking sensor malfunctions. Many G-Class owners report issues with the parking sensors, including false alarms or complete sensor failure. This can be frustrating, especially when relying on them for parking assistance in tight spaces. The issue usually arises from dirt, debris, or moisture buildup on the sensors. To fix parking sensor issues, start by cleaning the sensors with a soft cloth to remove dirt or debris. If moisture is causing the problem, ensure the sensor housing is sealed properly. If the issue persists, check the wiring and connections to make sure they are intact. In some cases, a faulty sensor may need to be replaced. Fortunately, individual sensors are easy to replace without replacing the entire system. 4. Transmission jerking or delays. Some owners experience jerking or delayed shifting in their G-Class. This issue can occur when shifting gears, particularly in automatic mode. It's commonly caused by low transmission fluid levels, worn-out components, or issues with the transmission control unit. Begin by checking the transmission fluid level. If it's low, top it up with the manufacturer-recommended fluid. If the fluid is dirty or contaminated, a transmission flush may be needed. Additionally, have the transmission control module checked for any errors that could be affecting gear shifts. If the issue continues, it might be necessary to replace the transmission fluid filter or even the transmission itself. 3. Weak or unresponsive air conditioning. While the G-Class comes equipped with an advanced air conditioning system, some owners have reported weak or unresponsive cooling. This can be a sign of several potential issues, such as refrigerant leaks, faulty compressors, or clogged filters. Start by inspecting the air filters and replacing them if they're clogged. Low refrigerant levels are often the cause of weak AC performance, so check the refrigerant and top it off if necessary. If the problem persists, it may be a sign of a failing compressor. In this case, the compressor may need to be repaired or replaced. Regular AC maintenance, such as cleaning the system and checking for leaks, can help prevent this problem. 2. Premature tire wear. Given the G-Class's weight and off-road capabilities, tire wear is a concern that many owners face. Improper tire inflation, misalignment, or aggressive driving habits can all lead to premature or uneven tire wear. The first step in preventing premature tire wear is to ensure the tires are properly inflated. Check the tire pressure regularly and maintain the recommended levels. In addition, ensure that the vehicle is aligned correctly, as misalignment can cause uneven wear. Regular tire rotation is also important for even distribution of wear across all tires. If you notice abnormal wear, it may be necessary to replace the tires or address any alignment issues. 1. Rust development. Despite being a premium vehicle, the G-Class is not immune to rust, especially in areas like the undercarriage, door frames, and other exposed sections. Rust can develop more quickly in regions with high humidity or where salt is used on roads during winter. To prevent rust, it's essential to inspect the vehicle regularly, particularly the undercarriage and door frames. Applying a protective rust inhibitor to vulnerable areas can help prevent corrosion. If you notice rust spots, treat them immediately by sanding down the affected areas and applying fresh paint. Regularly washing the vehicle, especially during winter, will help remove salt and other corrosive substances from the body. Storing the vehicle in a dry environment can also reduce the chances of rust formation. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class W463A is a powerful and luxurious vehicle that offers exceptional performance both on and off the road. However, like any high-performance vehicle, it's essential to stay on top of maintenance and address any issues as soon as they arise. Remember, regular checkups and proactive maintenance can save you a lot of money and hassle down the line. Don't forget to monitor key areas like the suspension, electrical system, and tires, and keep an eye out for rust and oil leaks. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable tips and expert advice. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on keeping your G-Class in prime condition. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.